चल
No, but
रहा है.
how do you start? What is your model like? मेरे पास अब आ गई है 4 properties. How do I market it? How do I put it on Airbnb? What is the next step once you get the
Once
property?
I get the property.
Yeah.
So once I get the property on rent, or if I purchase the property, the number one thing is kind of just doing a little bit of an understanding of your location and the demand around the area. Is your location in such a place where, you know, when our travelers coming here for work, so Delhi, I think the properties that do really well for me are the ones that actually have people coming for work. So some of my properties that are in Jangpura are very, very near the embassies and the visa office.
Okay.
Very near Pragati Maidan,
Okay.
JLN Stadium. So people are coming for expos. People are coming for their visa appointments. People are coming for wedding shopping. So you have to know that your location is correct. That's number one. Don't take it in some random location जहाँ आसपास कुछ है ही नहीं. Second thing is interiors. That's my forte. I think that's where I have a little bit of a one up from maybe the other Airbnbs in the area, and maybe that's why my brand, my company is also getting a little famous, is because of the effort that I put into the interior styling. Every corner of my Airbnb has a detail and that reflects my personality. The art, from the art to the bedding, to the colors, to the wallpapers, to the kind of coffee mugs you will find in my kitchen, everything I feel like a guest picks up and goes, interesting. Every corner has a detail that tells the guest that's in my house that, oh, this host is a creative host. She wanted us to come and stay in this house. There's warmth in the house. Like literally before any guest comes in, we have like a diffuser that ensures there's a really nice jasmine fragrance that's in the house. You know, little details. So I feel like that's my forte. I'm good at this. Third, and at least in my case, I currently only operate from the app Airbnb. I'm not on any other OTA currently.
Okay.
Airbnb and my own website, my own Instagram page. So over the past 3 years, a lot of people that have stayed in even one of my houses now come to me directly. They have my number, they have my Instagram handle, and my website should go live in maximum by next week. It's under coding right now, so we should be live by next week. So that's the third one. So how where you want to list it, you can list it on booking.com, make my trip, etc. I do not know how that works. I've never tried booking.com, make my trip in Delhi. So I only know about Airbnb.
And your website, which will be live.
And my website, which
and
will be
Instagram.
live. But Instagram and over the DM, WhatsApp booking, that all is obviously there. So you could say like 40% of that is direct bookings. 60% of my bookings come from Airbnb currently. I'm trying to change that because I want people to come directly to me and, you know, book with me, of course. So that would be the third thing. And and I think you asked me marketing. So it's been a little organic until now. I feel the app itself has enough users, you know, that come book. So I haven't really invested heavily in marketing. I do have my social media page. I do the reels and I do really good photo shoots and all everything. But luckily, you have no necessarily meta ads and Facebook ads that you have to run because they're very expensive.
Really?
I don't do any.
That's commendable. That's commendable.
That should I don't want to get into it. It's very expensive, I know, because of House of Yarn, ROI, check karo, ye karo, wo karo. So luckily through Airbnb, I mean, you know, jitna bookings aa jata hai. So I haven't done that.
And what's the percentage that Airbnb charges you? Like
15.5%.
15.5%.
Yes.
And do they charge you for if you want extra ad that they will place your property on top? Like something what's Zomato, Swiggy, and other apps do. So does Airbnb also function like that?
Airbnb does not take any ad payment from you. वो sponsored जैसे Zomato पे
Right,
आपका restaurant sponsored
right,
हो जाता है.
right.
I do have a couple of friends that run cloud kitchens.
Been there.
You can
Been
spend
there,
a lot
done
of
that.
money on Amazon.
Right.
You know, spend some money on your product will go up.
Wow.
There is nothing like this on Airbnb. And I know the day Airbnb will introduce it, whoever's sitting on heavy cash pockets,
It gets
will-
very competitive.
so
It
then, you
gets-
know, there is then that organic reach kind of dies out. But I do follow the CEO, the founder, Brian. I follow the content. I watch his podcasts. I hear what he says. I don't think they plan on doing that anytime soon.
So Drishti, there's something very interesting about your both the businesses. One you are handling with your husband,
Yes.
and one with your brother.
Yes.
how are you managing it? मतलब फैमिली के साथ वैसे ही बिजनेस करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि हो जाता है कि आप अगर एक रिलेशन में चीजें करेक्ट करते हुए आपको 2 बार सोचना पड़ता है कि कहीं बुरा ना मान जाए माय फैमिली मेंबर। तो उसको, उस डायनामिक को आप कैसे हैंडल करें, एंड व्हाट्स द डायनामिक एग्जैक्टली लाइक बिटवीन यू एंड योर हस्बैंड एंड you and your brother and between both of them?
Okay, so I'll start with me and my brother because that business has been on for 10 years now. We have extremely separate roles in the company. And like you said, it is difficult to work with family, but when it's your sibling, it's easy. I'm very honest. If I don't think something's working, I'll just scream. I'll be like, "Ye kya hai? Ye kya hai?" And more often than not, you'll hear us shouting in the office, screaming at each other, saying, "No, I'm telling you
Really?
this, I'm telling." Yeah. But then it's a sibling.
Yeah.
I feel like if you were working with a parent, it's harder because they're older, they have their own ways of thinking things. But with a sibling, I feel that kind of gets easy. We're just brutally honest. I'll tell him what I think, he tells me what I think, and one of us will just be like, okay, you know, you have a stronger understanding of this department, you take it and it's on you. And in some cases, I'll just be like, okay, you have a stronger understanding of this department. And we both have extremely different roles in the company. He knows I'm doing what I'm doing. So that kind of just making sure that both the individuals know their jobs and they're not butting into each other's. I think that makes it easy for me in House of Vian to manage with my
Right.
brother.
Right.
It's different in Drishti Dreamscape with my husband. So we, again, he manages the finances and the labor. So my Drishti Dreamscape calls for too much labor management and handling. Everything is labor related. And to get through to labor is so difficult. I remember in my second project, outside the entrance of my Airbnb, I sat on the floor and I just started crying. I
Really?
just cried because I just couldn't get through the labor, what I had explained to him. And when I came and when I saw what he had done, I just blurted out crying because he had spent all that money in doing something wrong, and then I had to spend more money to fix that. And I was bootstrapping Airbnb. This was my second property. And I called up Gagan. That time Gagan was just like, "Ha, main hoon." Like, he's my husband. He's like, "Ha, main hoon. I'm sitting behind you." But it wasn't something he was doing. I called him. He was at work. And he literally drove down and came within an hour because he's like, "What happened?" And then I told him, and that's when I realized labor मुझसे मतलब मैं कर लूंगी, but if I have his support, it'll just be easier. But other than that, the final, like the goal, the primary target that we have, that we'd have 50, 60, 100 properties. On that, we're both kind of together. Also, me and my husband and I have very, very similar thought processes, very similar goals. When we talk, it's like what he's saying, I'm like, yeah. So everything, we're very aligned. So that way, both of them work beautifully for me. You asked me how they work with each other. So, I mean, they don't work with each other at all. वो अपना करता है, वो अपना करता है. But of
Discussions
course,
तो होते ही हैं, right? When you are talking.
yeah, थोड़ी बहुत होते हैं. They have a beautiful relationship. Both of them really respect each other, and they'll always give a lot of thought into each other's opinions. So, of course, like great relationship.
Yeah.
Everything, like it's great.
That's
We all get along very well. Yeah.
So, are you happy with what you have achieved? Are you contented? Or
Not
there
at all.
more to go?
Not at all. I feel
So,
like
what is your goal like? Where do you want to achieve? When will you call yourself successful?
I'll tell you when I get there, definitely. But I feel like, at least in my case, every time I reach a goal, suddenly I'm not celebrating the fact that I've reached the destination or where I was achieving the goal. I'm worried about the second goal that I've mentally prepared in my mind, and I start running towards that. So there have been a lot of times like Gagan and I are just sitting. I remember telling Gagan once, the day I have 10 properties, मैं तो चिल करूंगी, मैं तो रिटायर करूंगी, एक दो बंदों को बिठा दूंगी, वो सारा मैनेज करेंगे, फिर वी कैन ट्रैवल, वी कैन चिल. Today I have 15 and I cannot tell you how restless I am. That ye nahi hai, ye
Really?
nahi hai, ye nahi hai. For sure. So I feel like, at least me personally, every time I achieve something, I'm just like, what's next? I don't think I'm anywhere near calling myself even remotely successful. I'm far away from it. I'm learning every day. I have so many goals. I have so many aspirations for myself in life, which I feel abhi to bahut time hai, bahut lambi journey hai for me to achieve anything. But yeah, I think that's what gets me going. I keep setting myself targets. अच्छा अब ये करना है, अच्छा ये हो गया, अब ये करना है, अब ये करना है, अब ये करना है, अब ये करना है. So I feel like while I'm working also, something new keeps branching. Like I'm branching into doing interior design for clients. So it's not for Airbnb. I actually have done 2 projects where somebody called me up and said, "Love your design aesthetic. Will you design our house?"
Really?
And I've actually done that.
You're doing
also.
more?
So I'm actually thinking of starting a new page where I'm doing like a before and after, how I transformed a home, what I did, how I added character to it. I've in fact
Commendable.
done a couple of online classes and all also for this. I've attended workshops and all.
Wow.
Suddenly now I'm like interior designer banna hai. So suddenly I'm getting into that. So yeah, I feel like I keep setting new targets for myself and keep trying to chase them.
ब्यूटीफुल. दृष्टि, आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के बारे में हमने बहुत कुछ जाना, बट हाउ आर यू पर्सनली? कैसे दृष्टि चिल करती है, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए क्या करती है, फ्री टाइम के अंदर अगर कोई बुक पढ़ रही है तो कौन सी बुक है, अगर कोई पॉडकास्ट सुन रही है तो कौन सा पॉडकास्ट है?
I think my number one thing is travel. I love traveling. My husband and I go. The only thing रात को सोने से पहले we talk about is tickets book करें, कब करें. But the thing is, with the nature of our work that we have, my husband's birthday is on 9th of June. I don't think we'll know if we can actually fly out before the 8th of June. Work is just so crazy sometimes that we can't actually plan ahead. But in my free time, if I am free and if I want to do something that really touches my soul, it's travel. I want to see the whole world. I've traveled 27 countries. My target was 30 under 30. I wasn't able to do that. So I think travel, and I would recommend people also to travel. You know, I know a lot of people ट्रैवल के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है. दे लाइक हाँ कर लेंगे, कभी कब करोगे, अभी नहीं करोगे तो कब करोगे. You know, it's something you should do in your youth. What you learn from people that you meet while you're traveling, it's commendable. That's my number one. Other than that, to chill, I have my friends. I go out on the weekends. I absolutely love going out. I love meeting new people. It's like my favorite thing to do. I feel like because of my work also, I wouldn't say it in a sad way, but being an entrepreneur leads you to be slightly lonely. Like, you know, I'm sitting somewhere with my laptop, calls, walls, but pura din chala jata hai, and sometimes I actually don't meet a human being. You know, if I'm working from home or something, even if I'm working from office, of course, other than my office staff or my brothers in office or something, I'm just like, you know, I miss going to an office where you just, you know, you shut out for 10 minutes, go out for, you know, a cup of coffee with your office colleagues, you're chilling, you have an offsite party or you have a Friday night office party and you're just like, you know, the office is paying for it, go have fun. I miss all of that. I used to love it when I was working. But now when you're doing your own thing, I feel like I'm so alone. Sometimes I'm like, 5 दिन हो गए किसी नए person से नहीं मिली, you know, and it actually happens to me. And there are a lot of my friends who are entrepreneurs and they see the same thing to me, that, you know, इतना redundant हो जाता है, हम ही बैठ के अपने बस थोड़ा सा staff वाफ से बात करते हैं, you know, don't get to meet anybody new. Actually, in the middle, I was hosting this networking thing. I was doing this last year by somebody who reached out to me in Bombay. I actually want to do this. Maybe, you know, entrepreneurs come, meet, network, get to know each other. I really want to do that. So,
Right.
and yeah, I'm not a very early riser कि ओह 7 बजे उठ के काम पे लग जाते हो. I actually wake up a little late, which my family taunts me about all day. But yeah, I have my systems and structures and I
How
have
late?
so I could sleep longer, but my phone just blows up around 9:30, 9:45. So 9:30, 9:45, I start waking up, seeing my phone and all, everything. 10:30 I'm up.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm in bed only replying, talking, because my work is like 75% is my phone. So I'm on my phone and all everything. But yeah.
अगर आज एडवाइस देना है, since you have come a long way, you have a lot of experience, journey is beautiful, but 17-18 साल की दृष्टि को अगर एडवाइस देना है कि ये चीज एक और ऐड कर लेना अपने जर्नी के अंदर, वो एडवाइस क्या होगा?
Very consistent workout routine. I lack that. I कभी start किया छोड़ दिया अभी मैंने छोड़ा हुआ है. That's one thing. In fact, that's my goal अभी also, to work out. If you are fit physically, you will just be fit mentally.
That's true. That's
Your
true.
body just feels so good if you're working out, if you're in good shape, if you don't eat clean. I'm not saying eat clean. Have
You
your pizza,
need it in
drink
your
your
routine.
alcohol, do whatever you want to. But if you're exercising, it'll be fine. You know, my friends and my family going to laugh. अच्छा podcast पे बोला ही फिर actual life में क्यों नहीं करती?
But guys, don't drink. Yeah.
It's in my mind. It's just like you know, I keep finding excuse. Oh, मेरा travel हो गया. Oh, मेरा वो project चल रहा था. मैं पूरे दिन site पे थी. You know, but it actually sometimes I'm on site गर्मी में for 4-5 hours. I just want to come back home, lie down in the AC. I'm not like अब और जाके gym में sweat करो. So you know, sometimes that kind of leads me to it. But yes, if I could tell my age, I was actually a dancer for about 15 years. College start होते ही it
कुछ छोड़ा
stopped.
आपने? कुछ छोड़ा है? मतलब सब कुछ तो कर लिया. अब डांसर भी.
नहीं ऐसे प्रोफेशनली डांसर नहीं थी but I used to I was with Ashley Lobo for about like 12-14
Wow.
years. I loved dancing. Even today I love dancing.
Even I was an Ashley.
Yeah,
Lobo.
really?
Yeah.
Even today I love dancing. Saturday night, you know, when people are making plans, let's go out, chill, party. Like my main thing is like let's go out dancing.
Right.
So yeah, if I could tell my 18-year-old self, I would just say work on your physical health as well. Like really don't leave working out. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Drishti, for joining us today. It was lovely talking to you, and
Thank
we
you.
learned so much about your journey. And I hope it was this insightful for our viewers also.
Yes, thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so much,
having me.
Drishti.
Thank you.
Lovely having you. So काफी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रहा है दृष्टि महाजन का. आई होप आप लोगों को भी इससे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन और कुछ सीखने को मिले कि हाउ टू हैंडल फैमिली डायनामिक्स इन बिजनेस, व्हाट शुड बी योर ड्राइविंग फोर्स एंड व्हाट द जर्नी इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक टू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग आवर एपिसोड. सी यू सून ऑन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ लेट्स टॉक विद अखिल.